Hello viewers and welcome back again. Today's video is different and special from regular videos on my channel. Today we have completed the 100 subscribers, so I will be expressing my ups and downs. And similarly, if you are not knowing, then let me tell you that this was literally a dead channel from past 1 year. Later on, I restarted it from scratch. So I will be sharing my personal experience, and I hope this will be helpful for new creators who are all trying to grow their channel from scratch. It was June 30th, 2022. The channel was created on this date, and I named it MineView. Basically, it means that I will be sharing the content in my point of view. I started uploading videos from July month year 2022. After that, I kept on uploading. I was not sure about the videos. I was not pro in editing. My thumbnails were not so attractive, but still I kept on uploading the videos. But at one point of time, due to many reasons in my personal career, I stopped uploading the videos, and I left this channel. The channel was almost ready to grow, but I personally took the decision of terminating the channel. I left it away. After some months in July 2023, I researched many things, and I was again back with my favorite topics, and I restarted this channel in July month. When I opened this channel, it was literally 0 views and subscribers. Already 8 to 9 months was spent, but I made a decision to restart this channel with the same name, but with different content. And now you can ask me, what did you do in this 8 to 9 months? I was focusing on my career, and in between that, I had also learned editing and thumbnail making like a pro. So when I restarted the channel, I was all set to go with my skills. This time I was pro in a thumbnail. I was pro in editing skills, and I was confident about myself. So I restarted this channel on July month, uploading my first video again, which was based on motivation. I uploaded some 3 to 4 motivation videos, and later on I started my dream videos, which were related to growth on YouTube. I personally had this in my mind, that through my content, I need to provide some value to my viewers and subscribers, and I am doing it now. Check my recent videos, you will find some informative videos and also some secret tips which I learned. So I keep on telling my viewers that if you like the video, then only subscribe to the channel. If there are any mistakes, then you can tell it in the comments section. So now I have deleted all my past videos. For now, my channel has 34 plus videos published, more than 5,000 plus views totally, and more than 100 subscribers. For every 30 to 40 views, I have gained 1 new subscriber. That's pretty cool. According to me, this journey was a little slow, but I will take it. And the next stop is 500 subscribers within the December month. So, come on guys, check my recent videos, and you will get an idea about what I actually publish in my channel. And you can check every single video. And if you like my work, then all I ask is to please hit that subscribe button so that I can bring more and more unique contents like this only for you. So guys, this was today's special video for 100 plus subscribers. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.